Good morning, friends. I hope all of you are keeping well and maintaining your high spirits. Day 5 has gone by. It was again an eventful day. I had some health concerns, had to go to the hospital. They did some tests over 3 to 4 hours. But I'm back in my room, feeling good. The health concerns weren't really addressed by anybody. That is the issue which I want to talk about today. I am being monitored by 3 to 4 different health organizations. They speak to me every day. But none of them even attempts to address the situation. Let's clarify this. I am an asthmatic, and as far as we all know, COVID-19 is now proven to be a respiratory ailment. In spite of my being tested positive, I am being set up in a room which has absolutely no access to fresh air. I've seen comments before, some people saying, what's the big deal? I would request them that try and live in a absolutely windowless room for 4 to 5 days without having the option to going out for even 1 minute and then reconsider their comment. More so if you have asthmatic symptoms or any kind of breathing issues. Most of the health departments I've spoken to, they have told me that it is not in their authority to ask the hotel to provide some fresh air. The hotel has told me that the rooms have been allocated by SA Health. So I don't know who to go to, and I'm not sure why the doctors at the hospital or the GPs talking to me, or in fact anybody from the health department can recommend to the hotel that this is what is required. I was normally using the puffer for maybe 3 to 4 times in 3 to 4 months. Over the last 2 days I've already used it 6 times, which is kind of not good. But that's what I've been told, that you can use it as many times as you need. Fair enough. We will continue doing that. But I will also continue to ask the health department, especially, to consider this situation. And I'm sure there are many people like me in the hotel who have a problem. And here I've come to the most strange part. I'm aware that the hotel has offered to change rooms to certain of our people from our group for a payment of maybe $300 or $400. That means a change of room is possible. If it is possible, why can't they put me in a room which can give me some fresh air? I know it's a lot of complaining, but that needs to be brought to somebody's notice. On the flip side, we are getting the meals from Sikh organization today. They'll be delivered for lunch. Be sure to do a small video and give them a shout. They have done a commendable job in organizing all this service without any, benefit. Again, the new flight that came into a different hotel had no problems organizing food from the Gurudwara. Why did we have problems? Can somebody answer that? I'm sure there should be an answer. Anyway, we are into the 6th day, 8 more days to go. Keep your spirits high and do whatever you can to improve your situation. Talk to you later. Have a wonderful day.